Greetings, I'm Drigo, the culinary alchemist. Today we're going to be talking about jackfruit. We're going to show you how to break down a jackfruit. We're going to show you the parts of the jackfruit. We're going to show you what's fiber, what's protein. You're going to learn a little bit about it. We're going to have some fun. Come with me. So now we're going to put the jackfruit, we're going to split it right down the middle. We're going to turn it, we're going to cut it in quarters, and then we're going to cut out the stem, which is the core. So right now, I'm just oiling up the knife, giving it a nice oil. You want to make sure that your knife is really well oiled, because the latex inside of the jackfruit, if your knife isn't properly oiled, it will get stuck. All right. Second cut we're gonna do, we're gonna cut it right in half, right? So now we're gonna take off this outer layer. This is this outer layer. You wanna hold the knife at a nice angle where you can get an indentation, and then you let it go. You allow the knife to cut. Kind of look around it, clean off any little extra. So now that it's cut, you can kind of see how it looks, right? What we want to do is we want to kind of just oil up our knife again before we start this cut, and just place a little, very small amount of oil on the surface of this so that it doesn't stick. It's really not that sticky right now, but generally it could be very sticky, all right? You can see the latex is very minimal because we used a good oil, right? This is the core, right? This right here is what we're gonna cut out, all right? That's it. And then you repeat the process again. Next, we're gonna lay the 4 quarters down. We're gonna cut them in half, and then we're gonna turn them sideways. We're gonna cut them in half again. Now we're gonna cut up everything into about inch squares, right? You want them to be nice and bite-sized. Don't worry about the seeds, because the seeds are edible, and the seeds are really delicious. Next, I'm gonna take these 1-inch jackfruit cubes that we just cut up, and I'm gonna place it into some boiling water. This is like almost like a dry roasting I do with jackfruit, just to kind of get the spices marinated. Next, we're gonna add our seasonings, right?